Hi, my name is Mark Schaefer. I am the responsible corporate account manager at EBV Electronics for company AMS. AMS is a sensor company, and I would like to walk you through our major topics that we exhibit here at the 2019 Embedded World Show. Let me show you some demos that we have here at the booth. First of all, I would like to start with the AS6500L, which is a Hall-based position sensors for rotary movements. Very nice sensor. Next to that, we have our Spectral Sensor. This is the 11-channel Spectral Sensor. You can also see the spectrum that the sensor shows in our GUI down here. So this sensor would give you the wavelength from 400 to about 700 nanometers, which is a perfect sensor to match environmental light for white color adjusts and so on. Below, just to stay in topic with the Spectral Sensor, we have our 18-channel Spectral Sensor, which gives you the full spectrum of about 300 to 1000 nanometer range, which gives you more or less everything from visible to near infrared range. A very nice sensor to make color visible, basically. On the other side here, again to the rotational sensors, this is our brand new inductive sensor, which is made for high-speed automotive applications. With this sensor, we can realize RPMs up to 480,000 RPMs in motor control applications. Below, we have a very nice and very small temperature sensor, which is famous for his ultra-low power consumption and the high accuracy. It comes in a very small chip-scale package with a very low thermal mass, which makes it very reactive and very sensitive. Last but not least, we have here our environmental sensor board, which contains of a humidity and temperature sensor and a VOC sensor, a so-called indoor air quality sensor. You can see the GUI down here. Basically, this sensor gives you a good indication about how air changes in a room, if it gets good or bad, and it can be compensated with the humidity and temperature value. Last demo I would like to show you is a miniature camera module, the so-called non-eye. It's a very small camera module sized 0.75 times 0.75 millimeters, which is made for endoscopy applications and medical applications in the end.